We've been diagnosing autism and ADHD as two separate conditions for 50 years. However, recent research shows we might actually be looking at the same thing. Researchers analysed brain connectivity and gene expression patterns in children diagnosed with ADHD or autism, and what they found was that it wasn't the diagnostic label that determined brain function, it was the severity of the autistic symptoms. Children with ADHD diagnoses that had stronger autistic traits had brain networks that more closely resembled children with autism than ADHD, because nature doesn't care what someone wrote on a form. What's becoming clear is that ADHD and autism, while they are separate conditions that have a lot of overlap, actually share a lot of the same biological building blocks, and that the labels we put on them are entirely man-made. It's not biological reality. Now, I'm not personally attached to either term. Some days I tick more ADHD boxes, other days I tick more autism boxes. Who cares? The thing I do care about, though, is that in future more people are going to get diagnosed not via a clinician watching them play with blocks for an hour, but based on genetic markers and brain connectivity data, which is exciting. It means we're going to get away from these big generic terms and more towards individual care plans, which is great. Hey, I'm Mike Baggs, your friendly neighborhood neuroscientist. This is why we want what we want. How about you? You attached to any terms or you just want to get on with living life the best you can? Let me know in the comments.